Hello and welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be planning for the week of the 17th through the 23rd in my catch-all planner here. I have my sidebar elements from Tipsy Dog Designs. So these are them. I have my date dots from Avalon and 9th. I have my planner Kate week of. And the kit I'm going to be using is from TBC Nation. It was a mystery kit, but you can no longer get it, and I am sorry about that. But I have went ahead and already laid down the little strips, and this kit is called Sunshine 3. So let's just jump right on into it. I know around me, we are not getting sunshine. We are actually supposed to be getting some snow today. And disclaimer, if you hear anything in the background, my kid is awake and I have my washer going. So, but yeah, we're supposed to be getting some snow today. And so it is gloomy out. But I wanted to use a pretty bright kit. So that's what we are doing. Yeah, you can have some cereal. I will be right back. Sorry about that. She wanted her snack. But anyway, those are my little disclaimers. The kiddo is awake and I have my washer going. So let us talk about this week. What is happening? Nothing. Actually. Actually, I have a few errands I gotta run outside of the house, but this is the week. I am going to actually start going to the gym. I just need to get off my lazy butt, and I just need to go ahead and do it. So that is what I need to do. Been around a while, you know that I've been saying that for a couple of months. Yeah. Been wanting to try to get it done, but I just have not. So I'm gonna do it. Just to get off my lazy ass and do it. I think I'm gonna start on Friday on Valentine's Day, actually, because my husband has off, and then he has a 4-day weekend, so I figured it was a good time. I do need to go to Sam's Club at some point this week. I love the colors of this kit. It's making me happy. I'm tired of this cold, cold weather. I like the snow, but I'm definitely a little over it. Alright, I'm gonna lay down these full boxes here. I am ordering, I do gotta order some more stickers, y'all. That I do need to do. Since Sugar Pop Fizz is open again. I can order some stuff from them. And there's a couple other shops I want to order from for this planner specifically. I do need to make a Plan Hannah order and a Planner K order. So they will be getting done hopefully here soon. I'm gonna do a different type of video actually on the channel. I'm gonna do a shop with me for Planner K, or for Plan Hannah, because I'm just gonna show you guys how I order stuff, and I just thought it would be fun. Okay, we got those done. I do have my scripts here from Black Mountain Plans, and I do need to grab the trash because it is a trash day on Monday. Even though it is President's Day, we still get our trash picked up. Here's my and I do want to grab a payday sticker. This is from Planner Kate, this payday sticker. Pretty sure we'll get paid here because of the holiday. And then I do, however, need to write out, I change my wax and my wax melters on Monday. And I need to do a Sam's Club and Walmart run. On Tuesday. And then we need to do, we'll do smaller ones. We'll do laundry, and we change sheets. Actually, she comes. We might actually go for the day on Sunday. Okay. Now, nothing for my daughter this week, but my husband has the day off on a Monday. So I'm gonna lay that down. I do need to come in here and grab a therapy. I do have therapy on Monday, which I'll do a small guy for. Let me just check my calendar. Nope, nothing else. Cool. And then I do have, my aunt is going to be in town down in Virginia starting on the 22nd. So I'm thinking we might go down to VA bound for the day on Sunday to see her. And then I think that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down because I don't know what we're having for dinner yet. I won't know until this weekend. But that is how that is turning out. I absolutely love it. I actually might, if I do go here, I'll go to the bookstore. We have a couple around us, but where my family lives, they have a lot of more secondhand bookstores. And I went to one of them and I really liked it, so kind of want to go back to see what they have. But yeah, that is my plan with me for next week, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.